This video is going to walk you through Lesson 11, the mini project sticker art. Now this one's a little bit different because there's a lot of free play in this one. So it's really important that we're following all the directions up here at the top and doing what it says. So this first one says, let's build something bigger, one step at a time. Get the artist to the center of the play area using the jump to the middle center position block, then use the draw sticker block to make something appear. Press finish when you are happy with what you've made. And down here are some examples of what it should look like when you are done. So I'm going to say, okay, this means we have a larger project. So as we work through this lesson, we'll be working on the same project all the way through. So just be careful to not use version history or you may get rid of all of your work. So it said to jump to the middle center and then to use the draw sticker. So I want mine to be the elephant. I'm going to click on run, and that is this picture. So I did the elephant picture. Since there's lots of different possibilities of what this one could be, it's not going to tell you if you're right or wrong. So really make sure you're following the pictures. I'm going to go ahead and click on finish and continue. Now, as you can see, we still have those same blocks there because this is part of that bigger project. This one says, change the direction your sticker is facing by adding a turn command to your code. Press finish when you're happy with what you've made. So here's some examples of what we want it to look like. So right now we click run. We're there, but we want to turn. So I'm going to try turn left by 90 degrees. And now I am turning when I get there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on finish. Now we're going to use a loop to make more copies of our sticker. Try changing the numbers in the turn and repeat blocks to make different patterns. Press finish when you're happy with what you've made. So we're going to pull out this repeat. I'm going to put it after run, and I'm going to pull all 3 blocks into there. And I'm going to hit run to see what happens now. Now you can see that the first time I run it, it jumps to the middle center, it draws a sticker, it turns. Then it jumps, draws, and turns. Now, if I wanted to do this, say, by turning by only 45 degrees, I'm going to have to do this 8 times instead of only 4 times. If I hit reset and run, you can see I'm going all the way around my circle when I do that. I'm going to try to do this picture, which is the giraffe. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So I'm going to have to repeat it 12 times. I'm going to do the giraffe. If I do this 12 times, let's see if I can go 30, if that one will work. Yep. So 30 times 12 goes all the way around. So an easy way to figure this out is the circle all the way around is 360 degrees. So 12 times 30 is equal to 360. So I know those are the correct 2 numbers to go together. That's why 4 times 90 worked, or 8 times 45. Also, if you want to slow this down and see what happens, we don't have a step button this time, but we do have the turtle. So we can go a little bit slower. This is kind of like our step button to see how it's working and try to debug if we have a problem somewhere in our code. So finish, continue. Bubble 4, so much fun. Now add a second sticker right on top of the first one to make an image like the ones below. So this time I have an image like that, or I have an image like that. So you can see it's going to draw the giraffe and then the turtle. So all we have to do is pull out the draw sticker and put it right after the first draw sticker. And I'm going to change this one this time to be the turtle, since I'm trying to do it the same as the picture there. I'll go a little bit faster. So it jumps, Draws the first one, draws the second one, and then turns. Finish. This one says, edit your code so that you jump forward between drawing the two stickers. In this puzzle, make sure you have jump to the middle center position inside of your loop so you stay in the center. So this time we don't want to have these on top of each other. We want to have them spread out. So I'm going to do a jump forward. I'm going to try jump forward by 100, see what that one does. Maybe a little bit too far because I want them to be closer together. So I'm going to try jump forward by 70. That one looks pretty good. So you can see I'm starting to make a circular pattern here with this loop and all the stuff going on inside of it. I'm going to go ahead and click on finish. Alrighty, so we're on bubble 6 here now. What happens when you move forward, then backward by 100, 200, or 400 pixels somewhere inside the loop? Try using the set pattern block before you start your loop to make a work of art. So I'm going to try to make this one. So I need to first pull out my set pattern and put it before my loop. And I'm going to go ahead and make this be, whoops, this one. And then I'm going to do my move forward. I'm going to pull that out twice. I'm going to move forward and then move backward. And I'm going to try doing this by 200 and then 200. Move forward, move backward, and then draw. There we go. It's going to jump to the middle center. It's going to draw that line, move backward, draw the sticker, and jump forward. So now I look like this picture right here. So I'm going to go ahead and say finish. Bubble 7. Add a third sticker anywhere in the loop that you want. What does it look like now? Change the pattern on your brush for more variety. So now let's check out this one. We have the turtle, a purple, and a green. Let's see if we can do that one. So we're going to change our pattern to be the lacy one. So that one. And then we're going to add another one in here. So we're going to do another jump forward by 50. And another draw sticker. So we're drawing this time the turtle, the purple monster, and a green one. That one, I believe. Well, it looks like my line up here isn't quite long enough because it's not sticking out the top. So I'm going to try making this 300 so I can see that line behind every one. 300, 300. Reset, hit run. There we go. Now my line is longer than my set of stickers. Alrighty, I like that one. Looks a lot like this one. Maybe you did this one, maybe you did one of the other ones, but hopefully you've got 3 different stickers that you can see going around your loop. Finish. Bubble 8. Try changing the repeat loop to run a different number of times. How far do you have to turn to go around a full circle? Try changing how many times you spin. Try a 60-degree turn for 6 times. Try a 20-degree turn for 18 times. And here's some other ones that we can try to make. So I'm going to try to make, whoa, I don't even know what that one is. So let's try making different stickers. I'm going to change this again. I'll make that one. Let's try the bunny. This one. and this one. And let's see, what if we do this 10 degrees and we do it 36 times to get all the way around our circle? What's that one going to look like? Whoa, so many loops going around there. So have fun trying some of these different pictures. Remember that your turn left down here at the bottom, the 10 degrees, times how many times the repeat is, has to be 360. So you can go all the way around the circle. I'm going to go ahead and say finish and continue. Whoa, bubble 9, everything's gone. That's because bubbles 1 through 8 was a single project. But now you get to build a whole new one from scratch. So see if you can make one that has at least 2 or 3 stickers going around in a circle. And if you're not quite sure how to do it, go back and look at bubble 8 and see what you did there. Have fun on your free play drawing a completely different image this time, going around in circles. Make sure you have it looping around and around and around.